How to cancel Propstream subscription. I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Propstream subscription. You can't do it directly from your account dashboard, which is a bit inconvenient. But here's how it works. You need to contact their customer support team either by phone at 877-204-9040 or by email at support@propstream.com. Make sure to do this before your next billing cycle because they won't refund you for unused time once the new period starts. Their support hours are Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, so plan accordingly. Once you reach out, they'll walk you through the cancellation and confirm when your subscription will officially end. Just remember, after canceling, you still get access until the end of your current billing period. So if you're sure you're done with it, don't wait until the last day.